This video is exactly 1 minute and 26 seconds long. That may seem short, but you'd be surprised to hear how much shorter people's attention spans are nowadays. Research shows that the average view duration across all of YouTube is 23.7%. 23.7% of 1 minute and 26 seconds is roughly 23.5 seconds. That means if you're still watching this video, you've already surpassed the average YouTube viewer's attention span. That says a lot about how easily people are distracted nowadays. I want you to be completely honest. Were you scrolling through the sidebar, looking at related videos, or browsing through the comments while the video was playing in the background? Maybe you even minimized the video and were back on your YouTube home screen trying to find the next video to watch. If you're guilty of any of these, it's completely normal. Most people spend their entire day chasing these small amounts of excitement, these diamonds. The moment something shinier comes along, we instantly pivot to chase that instead. And we've actually been trained to behave this way. Social media and platforms like YouTube are specifically catered towards our shrinking attention spans. They make it so easy to switch between content so that we can constantly keep ourselves entertained and stay on the platform as long as possible. So, if you're still watching right now, give yourself some credit for beating the algorithm today. Now, I'll let you get back to your scrolling.